Sweet. Tastes like winning.
How would you know what winning tastes like?
Dave loves the 2 scoops, and that Kellogg's Raisin Bran is one more step towards a healthy tomorrow.
A hurry to lose, huh?
Oh, okay.
Invest in your heart health with Kellogg's Raisin Bran.
Behind him, there's a big gap. You can get under something.
It's a bouncer. Is it too short? No, it's okay. It's okay. It's a dot ball. 2 to go. 9 for 2.76.
That was fun.
Yeah. Let me help you out with it.
Oh no, I got it.
You sure?
Just pop the trunk.
I may not know where the road...
Here we go. Hits him on the pad. It's going down leg.
That wasn't the ball. There's no one back deep backward square leg. So any sort of bat on that, Faulkner had 4.
I think he wasn't thinking 4, was he? He was thinking 6. That was part of the problem. He really tried to give it some. Right there, Tim Bresnan. You can see he's a deep mid-wicket there. There's no...